Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2020 Citroen Berlingo. This is a short wheelbase, 5-door small van. Comes to you in a lovely white with 54,000 miles upon the clock. Now this does come not only with cruise control, hands-free cooling, air conditioning. This does also come with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. This has a 5-speed manual transmission, diesel fuel type, 3 cloth line seats, an electric handbrake just there as well for you. Does also come with satellite navigation up on the screen as well. And if I just show you the load area in the back, you can see it is not only ply line but interior lit. Comes with cargo rings to handle any load you may want to carry. And I will just show you the space from the back as well. As you can see in the back, we do also have a pristine undented bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this van in particular, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It is in the description of this video. You can type in the rates just there, it should come up. If not, you can always come down to our site in Padworth, check out this van or many other ones, speak to one of our specialists about them. You never know, maybe one day you'll be driving off in this. Thank you very much, hope to see you here soon.